Hello everyone, today we're going to have a quick look at this Infinix SMART 7 HD to see if there is any value for the money, but it should be, as it's going around £100, which 110 euros, something like that. But we'll take a quick look. So this one says 64 gig and 2 gig of RAM, 6.6-inch display, which is quite good. Octa-core CPU, definitely not for games anyway. 5000 milliamp battery, fingerprint and face recognition. It doesn't have 5G. It comes with Android 12 Go edition. I know it doesn't have NFC. 5 megapixel front camera and 8 megapixel rear camera. I suppose it's another budget phone, which it's good for a backup phone for someone, for a teenager, for first phone, or for an elderly, someone who doesn't play games, definitely doesn't use NFC. But even as a spare phone for the money, it's okay. It's a pretty nice design. I like these cameras. This is handy. The fingerprint sensor on a back seems to be all right. To me personally, I don't like the size. I'm not used to this size, and the pocketability is not so great. But that's just me. In the box, 10-watt charger, micro USB cable, 3.5mm headphones, and an opening pin. Ooh, and a nice clear case. Yeah, this seems quite fast after setup, but it won't be that. So for games, it's not recommended. Probably something like Gardenscapes or some normal random games. Let's try quickly. Let's test the camera. I've got an ELF. Yeah, pretty sharp. It's not too bad. So I would say for a spare phone, or for someone, for a teenager as a first phone, there is value for the money. So I definitely recommend it for someone in this situation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.